Let's create our first recipe. Start by applying a unique name that is easily identifiable within the context dashboard. In this case, we'll use socks for rebels. Recipes are made up of 3 ingredients: the content variations you create for each section within your Shopify theme, the rules that trigger the variations to display, and the analytics that let you know how well a recipe is performing. In the Content Variations tab, each of the sections in context represents a section applied to your Shopify theme. This area becomes the place where you select or create the variations of content you want to display to your visitors. It's worth noting that you can apply content to sections across templates within a single recipe. Let's start by creating a new banner variation starting with a unique name. In this case, we'll use Rebel Banner. Creating a new variation loads the Shopify theme editor with the default theme content. This becomes the starting point for each new variation you create. Let's replace the banner elements for our new audience. Once you're happy, don't forget to hit save. Let's make our way back to the Content Variations tab to select our banner for displaying to our new audience. It's worth noting you can select variations across sections within your template files. And if you don't make a selection within a section, the default from your theme is what gets displayed to your visitors. Once you're happy with your selections, remember to hit save. As a bonus, you can select multiple variations within the same section, and A/B testing is instantly enabled. Context will split the traffic evenly across all selected variations and provide performance insights. It's that simple. Rules is where the power of context becomes apparent. Rules are the conditions that display your content variations. Rules can include customer segments, which are pulled from your Shopify or Klaviyo segments, date range, geographic location, UTM parameters, weather, and more. We're going to apply a simple UTM rule that will trigger when the campaign field equals rebels. It's also worth noting that you can combine rules to create even more powerful conditions. With the content selected and the rules applied, let's take a look at how our store will appear once the UTM parameters are triggered. It's that simple. Our banner and collection have been swapped out in real time. Once you set up and start running your recipes, you'll start receiving metrics within an hour. At the dashboard level, context displays the average conversion rate across all currently running recipes, the total number of sessions across all recipes, and the average order value across all currently running recipes. Context also displays metrics for each customer segment recipe, like the number of sessions or the number of times each recipe has run, the number of impressions your personalized theme sections have been viewed by your visitors, the percentage of engagement with your personalized content, the units per transaction sold, the average order value for each individual recipe, and the average conversion rate for each individual recipe. Within each recipe, context displays the number of impressions and the percentage of engagement for each individual theme section. This will further help you to make more informed marketing decisions.